Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn the basic structure of C# program. If you are new to the C#, this video will help you to understand how a C# program is written and how it starts executing. Let's begin. Here is a simple C# program. Now let's understand this program line by line. The first line is using a statement. This is called a using directive. It allows us to use the classes present inside the system namespace. For example, console is a class inside the system namespace. Without this line, we cannot use console.writeLine. You can think of using as importing a toolbox that already contains useful tools. Next we have namespace. Hello old app. The namespace is a container for classes. It is used to organize our code and avoid name conflict. In real project, we may have many classes. Namespace helps keep related classes together. You can think of namespace like a folder inside your computer. Inside a namespace, we have a class called program. In C#, every program must have at least one class. C# code cannot exist without a class. A class is basically a blueprint that contains our code. Now comes to the most important part. This is the main method. This method is the entry point of a C# program. Execution always starts from the main method. If the main method is missing, the program will not run. Let's break it down. Static means we do not need to create an object to run this method. Void means this method does not return any values. Then we have a string argument, which is used to receive command line argument. For now, just remember this. Every C# program starts from the main. Inside the main method, we have this line. This statement prints the text inside the console screen. Here, the console is a class and the write line is a method. The semicolon at the end marks the end of the statement. And when this line executes, we see hello world on the screen. To run this program, you just have to click here or control F5. Here you can see hello world is printed. You will notice the curly braces throughout the program. They define the scope of namespace, a class, and a method. Every opening braces must have a closing braces. Let's quickly understand how the program runs. First, the program is start, then main method is called, then statement inside main execute line by line. After that, program ends. Common beginner mistakes are forgetting the main method, missing semicolon, writing code outside the class, mismatch curly braces. Be careful about this while writing the C# program. So the basic structure of C# program includes using directive, namespace, class, main method, and statement inside the main method. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. In the next video, we'll learn about console class method and the properties. See you in the next one. Thank you for watching.